Hello, I'm using Mac. I'm going to show 3 different ways to ping the website. First, do Command plus Spacebar to launch Spotlight. Command plus Spacebar, and then type Network Utility. Click on Ping tab and then enter the network address. Here I'm giving www.google.com. And then click Ping button. Notice that we are receiving data packets back and it shows that particular website is up and running. So I'm going to cancel it. Second method is to open terminal. We can do by hitting Command plus Spacebar and type terminal. Command plus Spacebar and type terminal. In terminal, I will type ping space www.google.com. Enter. Here are the results. And I'm going to cancel. Third method is to launch Safari browser. I'm going to click on Safari. Here I will type www.ping.eu. Ping. Now enter the host name. Google.com and click Go. Here are the results. That's all from my side. Thank you.